Understanding a Pashtun toddler speech. Let's take a look at how a Pashtun toddler, 1 to 3 years old, begins to speak and imitate words. Now, watch the full video to find out how to interact with a Pashtun toddler with love. To conclude, Pashtun toddlers start with simple, natural sounds, then pick up names and nouns, followed by phrases, and eventually sentences. Elders might also adjust their speech to make it easier for the little ones to communicate, and they can use facial expressions to help in communication. Thanks for watching. Please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for next videos.